Jai Shri Mahakal. What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing great.
ओके सो अभी हम डायरेक्टली हमारा होटल इन ओमकारेश्वर का मैप लगाए एंड इट शोइंग 714 किलोमीटर एंड 15 एंड ऑफ 675 किलोमीटर्स मोर 14 मोर आवर्स है एंड यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा ग्लिच हुआ 7th स्टेट दिस ईयर राइट लाइक यू नो और हमारा लाइक यू नो केरला तमिलनाडु तेलंगाना आंध्र प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र हो
So जैसा तेलंगाना तक ना crazy highways थे. The moment we entered Maharashtra,
2:30 so we thought we'll quickly stop for lunch. चलो 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 राहुल God shit no it's not funny I'm getting scared there's so many of them. All right, so we have finally reached our hotel, which is the Mudgal Palace here in Omkareshwar, and Omkareshwar temple यहाँ से 4-5 kilometers है. ये वो इसके पहले ही है.
Jai Shri Mahakal. What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing great, and welcome back to a brand new and a very special episode in our channel, in your channel, Monday Blues Travel. जैसा आप notice किए, I started off the vlog with Jai Shri Mahakal because that's where we are planning to go today.
All right, so this is again another new series on our channel and your channel, Monday Blues Travels. So as you've already seen in the caption, yes, we are going to Ujjain and and Omkareshwar. So this is our journey of 12 Jyotirlinga. So हमारा first Jyotirlinga Srisailam में हो गया था. So hope you guys have watched that vlog as well. So that was the first Jyotirlinga what we visited, and now this is the second and third Jyotirlingas what we are going to visit in this series, which is Ujjain, Mahakaleshwar and Omkareshwar. So very excited. There are a lot of things to share. Why we thought we should have start this journey of 12 Jyotirlingas, where it actually started and what is the purpose and significance of these places.
And our connection.
And our connection with God, because actually speaking, all this transition and this journey of ours towards God and there's so many stories which we want to share with you, of course, and we're super excited. We still can't believe that we are going. So we were so excited that हम सो नहीं पाए रात में, and so plan was to leave early in the morning, which was at 4 o'clock or something, because हम directly ऐसे ओमकारेश्वर जा रहे, and it is around 16 hours from Hyderabad, and but unfortunately again last moment packing and that anxiety, excitement, so many things, and
नींद नहीं आ रहा,
नींद नहीं आया, exactly.
anxiety.
So it's 8:30 now in the morning, and so we are all ready, all packed, and luggage all kept in the car, so ready to go, and super excited, goosebumps हो रहा कि can't believe कि we're making it to Ujjain and Omkareshwar. तो ठीक है, on the way बात करेंगे more about these things and all that. So stay with us and watch the vlog till the end till the end, and so on the way discuss करेंगे, बात करेंगे about a lot of things about this thing. So अभी के लिए quickly एक छोटा सा पूजा करके like नारियल, I will just break the coconut. It's kind of a auspicious thing when you start your when you're planning for any good journey or something. So we'll do that, and then we will head then we will hit the roads. So chalo, let's go. Okay, so अभी हम directly हमारा hotel in ओमकारेश्वर का मैप लगाए, and it's showing 714 kilometer and 15 and of us, and with breakfast, lunch, and couple of breaks, I think 16 and of to 17 hours. The thing is, आज तक हम इतना लंबा तो नहीं करे. So the
this is going to be the longest if we are doing it in a stretch. Plan is to do, अभी तो रात के 12 बजे बता रहा ETA. We should have left a little earlier, but then no, anxiety के वजह से नहीं हुआ. So any which ways, no other option, no option B. So chalo, let's hit the roads. 15 and a half hours, 714 kilometers. On the way, interesting बनाएंगे, बात करेंगे. Especially about our journey, like how we were not much into this, and then how God called us closer to Him. क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, अच्छा बुरा, सब बात करेंगे on the way. So let's keep this interesting. It won't be like a regular boring vlog कि ये है वो है ये है वो है. So end तक देखो. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Alright, so it's about 9:40 in the morning और बहुत भूख लगना start हो गई थी. but then we cannot stop at a proper hotel या फिर a proper tiffin center kind of a thingy because we are running late. It's already मतलब 12 बजे बता रहा ETA. तो एक beautiful हनुमान जी का स्टैचू दिखा जहाँ पे मैं अट्रैक्ट हो गया था देख के, and right next to it was this food truck. सो फूड ट्रक में क्या होता है ना, इट्स वेरी इजी, मतलब इट्स वेरी क्विक बेसिकली. आप ऑर्डर कर दे, इमीडिएटली दे देते हैं और खा के इमीडिएटली विल हिट द रोड्स अगेन. सो लुक एट दैट. जय श्री राम. तो अभी नाश्ता करेंगे. कैसा है रे रम्या?
इट्स एक्चुअली टू गुड. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इतना अच्छा रहता. वी जस्ट थॉट क्विकली बहुत जल्दी हो जाता, बट चटनी ऑसम. बहुत अच्छा. इडली भी बहुत फ्रेश है. वेरी नाइस. सीरियसली वेरी टेस्टी.
जल्दी जल्दी खाएंगे और ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, फिर रात में और लेट
हो जाएगा.
ठीक है, चलो
चल. ऑलराइट, 675 किलोमीटर्स मोर, 14 मोर आवर्स है. एंड यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा ग्लिच हुआ. सो बेसिकली पतंजलि के बाद जोगीपेट आएगा. जोगीपेट के बाद आफ्टर वी हैड ब्रेकफास्ट देयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर आर 2 रूट्स. So we had to take a diversion to the left, which is going towards Nanded. So by mistake, हम straight ऐसा straight चले गए थे.
I was overlooking the maps.
Yes,
I didn't check.
he didn't see. He was speaking something. So that is the highway, Nagpur highway. So straight गए तो हम Nagpur. So we are not taking Mumbai. Yeah, we're not taking that route. So we are taking the other diversion here.
Show them these trucks.
Yes, wow.
Without the body.
हाँ देखो.
There's so many of them.
Yes.
यहाँ पे बता. Without the body, just the engine and chassis.
Yes. So this is how the truck looks without, like, whatever carriage on that. So वो है नागपुर वाला मुंबई वाला हाईवे. So हम वो रूट ले लिए थे by mistake. So
Hyderabad Indore Economic Corridor.
Yes. So this is Hyderabad Indore. Oh yeah, economic corridor. So यहाँ पे देखो Narayankhed, Nanded and Akola. So this is the route what we are taking today. And this is towards Nanded, Akola. And then उसके बाद आएगा हमारा ओमकारेश्वर. So we'll enter after Akola, we'll enter Madhya Pradesh, and then उसके बाद ओमकारेश्वर. So quite excited, quite नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही excited because ये मेरा first time है महाराष्ट्र मध्य प्रदेश को. Like I've never been to Madhya Pradesh. In fact, towards the north, this is the first time I can say. So basically, majorly it was all like South Indian states what we have explored. And तुम्हारा भी मध्य प्रदेश एक first time है ना? I went to north, not by road. College के time पे train में गए थे, and from there we went to Shimla and all that. But like after vlogging, like ये environment में yes. Correct. So very excited actually. बहुत नींद आ रहा. That's the reason you can see the energy is a little bit low. But yes, of course, I know as and when the day passes, our energy should pick up. Energy आना है. And but super excited because yes, and this is going to be a first time I am we are traveling towards the north, and with that we have a lot of plans as well towards the north. Like this year, let's see, it's October already, November, December, not this year, like next couple of plans because बहुत ज़्यादा exhaust हो गए South India का and all that.
Yeah, वही NH44
and all that.
It's all under construction.
Yes.
Look at this highway.
Yes.
Look at this highway. It just started and look at it.
Yeah, so very excited because ये regular route नहीं. South India कहीं पे भी हम जा रहे हैं तो it's basically हमारा regular हो गया था. यहाँ से Bangalore जाओ, वहाँ पे एक night halt, and वहाँ से most of the almost all the highways we have covered. I think the Salem वाला, the other Ooty वाला towards and Kerala वाला highways, everything things look so familiar. There was nothing very exciting about it. But इस बार frankly speaking, ये road में भी this is the first time I am coming to this road. This route also we have never taken. नहीं ना, ये route तो कभी नहीं, we have never taken. So it's kind of a very new kind of experience for us, and very excited. But somehow आगे जाके I'm not sure how the roads are going to be because only for 688 किलोमीटर के लिए 14 hours बता रहा, which is quite high. And देखेंगे, but पता नहीं आगे जाके कहाँ कैसा होगा roads and all. But महाराष्ट्र का रोड्स भी ठीक ठाक ही रहता है. Whatever
महाराष्ट्र में only national
highways are good.
State highways are messed up.
वही तो आगे जाके देखेंगे कैसा है roads and all that. So अभी के लिए we are enjoying the drive. Taddanpalli. Okay, so this is the first toll for today, which is the name. Where is it written?
Taddanpalli. Welcomes you to Taddanpalli Toll Plaza.
Yes. Okay, so this is the Taddanpalli Toll Plaza, and छोटा है टोल का प्लाजा एंड ऑल दैट एंड बट दिस हाईवे सो फार इज लाइक वेरी
Crazy.
नाइस क्रेजी वेरी गुड एंड आज फॉर सम रीजन इतना वो भी नहीं है लेकिन ट्रैफिक भी नहीं है और प्रॉब्ली ये रूट में उतना ट्रैफिक नहीं रहता होगा बट like good very smooth very nice very good highway and we were just wishing that like you know end तक ऐसा ही highways रहे तो बहुत अच्छा रहता and somehow अभी it's already 10:30 but we can still see like you know दूर दूर तक it's like the entire area like is foggy and not just अभी से but जब से like you know we left Hyderabad तब से लेकर अभी तक like it's all like foggy and not just that like it's all full completely green so far like you know only 600 kilometers है और 13 hours है और एक चीज बताना है roads are superb अभी तक बहुत अच्छा है like you know if you can see the highway is too good superb एक भी pothole नहीं है एक भी rough patches नहीं है and very nice and also very scenic quite scenic road very scenic नहीं बोलूँगी quite scenic है because first
lot
of all
of
of
lakes.
course yes first of all of course the season is good because it's all green everywhere and lot of paddy fields throughout pura इसलिए that is making it look much more lush green and lot of lakes इतना lakes देखे हम like you know अभी तक एक 15-20 lakes देख लिए and पूरा crops भरे हुए all the fields no field is empty तो proper cotton है paddy है and wheat and sugarcane lot of like you know crops in the fields and the roads are as you can see too good and for not some reason and holiday season इसलिए पूरा roads खाली है like literally there are no vehicles you know like rarely एक दो cars इधर उधर but too good probably इसलिए like you know it's only 13 hours more because when we started in the morning it was almost 16 hours and almost 3 घंटे आ ही गए हम एंड बहुत अच्छा है एंड वी जस्ट होपिंग दैट लाइक यू नो अभी आगे जाके भी ऐसा ही रहेगा लाइक रोड्स एंड इफ यू कैन सी पूरा पैडी फील्ड्स एंड लाइक देखो रोड्स पूरा खाली है एंड लाइक बहुत अच्छा है एंड इवन द रोड साइड दोस प्लांट्स लाइक वो भी पूरा फ्लावर्स है उसमें भी लाइक येलो फ्लावर्स एंड ऑल दैट प्रॉबली समर में इफ इन केस यू आर टेकिंग दिस रूट आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ ग्रीन और हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस माइट लुक बिकॉज वो टाइम में पूरा ड्राई हो जाता है क्रॉप्स एंड ऑल वोंट बी देयर बट अभी के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है मस्त है एकदम Okay, so basically अभी तेलंगाना एंड हो गया so the RTO this is the RTO check post and end of Telangana and ये देखो
ये नहीं ये देखो first look at this I'm driving like this since half an hour
okay he loves you so much he's
Yeah, I know.
like you know daddy's boy as well so
But
पता
I
नहीं
feel
he
it's-
takes turns I think एक दिन मम्मी का boy है एक दिन डैडी का boy है but he is very excited that we are going but थोड़ा बेचारा like you know 5:30 उठ गया like you know full week school था फिर भी he's coping up so very happy and of course you know if he wouldn't have cooperated and supported हम इतना travel नहीं कर पाते थे but seriously hats off to this little man he like you know इन्हें एक motivation है हम लोगों को travel करने के लिए the way he gets excited he is so happy अभी देखो curiosity उसको मतलब ये नया road है he can understand
Augie you're in
नया road है।
Maharashtra
Okay, so that's what like you know is too curious because he knows that this is not the regular road what we generally go and all. So अभी नहीं सोएगा like you know evening तक till the time he's exhausted he'll be like this and evening बेचारा like you know he gives up and around 5-6 o'clock time पे सो जाता है so ठीक है anyways very excited अभी महाराष्ट्र वो like you know enter हो गए so this is Maharashtra welcome to Maharashtra roads so far has been very good like you know superb एंड या महाराष्ट्र से ज़्यादा अभी मुझे एक्साइटमेंट है मुझे भी अगस्त्य को नहीं इनफैक्ट मुझे भी एंग्जाइटी हो रहा कि बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू वी आर दिस द फर्स्ट टाइम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ एंड कब आएगा मध्य प्रदेश एंड आई एम वेटिंग टू क्रॉस महाराष्ट्र टू एंटर मध्य प्रदेश so for that way it will be 7th state this year right like you know what हमारा like you know केरला तमिलनाडु तेलंगाना आंध्र प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र हो गया फिर कर्नाटका हो गया ये साल में great year 2025 पता नहीं like seriously
Touch wood.
yes touch wood and that's the reason we are going to Mahakal as well. तो ठीक है, फिर देखेंगे आगे जाके लेके और कैसा है रोड जनरल. एक चीज है ये रोड में थोड़ा खाने पीने का प्लेसेस बहुत कम है, रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड
है ही नहीं, कम.
है ही नहीं, लाइक वो हिसाब से यू हैव टू प्लान इट. जहाँ पे मिल रहा है लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच खा लो. एंड पेट्रोल पंप्स भी बहुत कम है, राइट?
Very,
Like,
because ये proper national
yes.
highway बना है.
हाँ.
So on the NH I saw only 2, and वो भी both like backward types, like you don't want to get into them kind of a thing.
Correct.
So be a little mindful about that. अभी मैं जहाँ पे fuel up कराया, that was मतलब सर्विस रोड लेके गया था, सर्विस रोड पे गया. So be a little mindful of petrol है. I'm not saying जैसे बात कर रहे सामने एक आ गया HP का, but then be a little sure.
Yeah.
Because open highway अच्छा है, you might pull a little, उसमें the mileage will drop a little, so थोड़ा careful.
Yes, that's one thing what you have to keep on your mind. नांदेड़ नहीं आया ना अभी तक?
नांदेड़ बहुत दूर है.
Okay, sorry. नांदेड़ अभी नेक्स्ट मेजर टाउन है अकोला, so we are going through that. अकोला क्रॉस होने के बाद मिलेगा मध्य प्रदेश. तो चलो चलते रहेंगे. ऑफ कोर्स सुबह से मैं वंडर कर रही थी क्यों इतना टाइम ले रहा फॉर 530 किलोमीटर्स, एंड इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. एज सून एज वी एंटर्ड महाराष्ट्र, ये है सीन्स from superb awesome 2-lane, right?
Crazy
so the 4-lane road से we just came here. ये फिर भी ठीक है. अब last 20 minutes से stuck है in this traffic and proper like छोटा छोटा roads है and like seriously
I don't know why
the
Maharashtra
transition
roads are always the worst. अभी तक मैं जितना travel करा, the worst roads are of Maharashtra.
couple of places major tourist areas में ठीक है, मतलब महाबलेश्वर, वो पंचगनी
ठीक है, पूरा part
वो ठीक था, but to reach there through these villages and all that like
देख वहाँ
both
कैसा था
areas,
highway, then
exactly.
suddenly like this.
Yeah, I know. I mean, seriously, again, single lane road, I don't know. So that's the reason it's taking such long. I mean, though distance कम है, but फिर भी probably ऐसा road से, I don't know. So वही है, तो महाराष्ट्र का scenes as soon as we entered. So देखेंगे आगे जाके कैसा है फिर.
Right, boys. So जैसा तेलंगाना तक ना crazy highways थे, the moment we entered Maharashtra, it's a little dark. The moment we entered Maharashtra, it was messed up. पूरा सिंगल लेन एकदम. द मोमेंट महाराष्ट्र स्टार्टेड कंप्लीटली सिंगल लेन रोड्स. उसके बाद गांव से आए, इट फेल्ट लाइक द एंटायर विलेज वाज ऑन द हाईवे. It was pretty difficult because you're going on a pace and then you suddenly face bad roads. तो वो सीन था NH 161 का. So अभी डाइवर्जन हुआ, like if you're seeing, तो अपने को औरंगाबाद and wherever we are going, अपना route towards Omkareshwar we have to take the diversion, and this looks like a proper national highway. I think NH 361 if I'm not wrong. So if you're seeing, महाराष्ट्र में ट्रक्स का ट्रैफिक अलग सीन है. सो अपने को ये डाइवर्जन लेके यहाँ पे जाना है. सो वी आर डन अबाउट 260 किलोमीटर्स टिल नाउ. घर से लेके 260 किलोमीटर हो गए. ये स्ट्रेच बहुत टाइम खा लिया बॉस, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम खा लिया. होपिंग दिस यहाँ से द हाईवे इज गोइंग टू बी गुड. सो let's sit in the car and rock the road. Just wanted to show you that this is the diversion and how the road is going to be. So be prepared if you're coming to Omkareshwar from Hyderabad. Be prepared for this bad stretch the moment you enter Maharashtra. So boss, it's also 1:30. I was a little hungry, so अपने को ये guava jam दिख गया. So एक दो पीस लेके we'll be sitting in the car and having this just temporary पेट भरने के लिए. नहीं इसमें डाल दो. ये टमाटर चटनी है.
Okay, so we are on the way to Akola. Akola out बहुत दूर ही है, तो नांदेड़ क्रॉस होके एक 1 hour हो गया. एंड इट्स 2:30, so we thought we'll quickly stop for lunch because Agastya को भी खिला के so that he will also sleep. So we stopped at this place on the highway itself after the toll, which is called as Ranavara. So that's the road and the restaurant is right here. And we have ordered for हाँ हाँ Okay, yes, sure. So we've ordered for this tomato. Ordered for this tomato chutney and paneer tikka masala. This is jawari ka roti, jawar roti, and like of course chapati. So try karna tha यहाँ का local cuisine है jawari roti and tomato chutney. So and it's looking yummy. It's very tasty. बहुत अच्छा है. So ठीक है, अभी के लिए quickly we'll finish our lunch and then we'll get on to the like you know hit the roads because we don't have much time and like you know quickly we'll finish lunch and see you later in the car. Oh God, seriously, look at them. There's so many langurs and we're on the way. I don't know. There was a okay. Chalo Rahul. Oh God, shit. No, it's not funny. I'm getting scared. There's so many of them. यहाँ पे road bumper. What do you call them? Road bumps. Speed breakers था बोल के we just stopped and oh my God. Speed breakers था इसलिए car थोड़ा slow करे and there's so many of them. Oh God. Look at them. उन लोगों का face कितना human beings के जैसा ही है ना? लोगों के जैसा ही है. उन लोगों का hands and legs भी very clear and very like define. हाँ. उन लोगों का features बहुत defined है पूरा. Like monkeys से ज़्यादा इन लोग दिखते इंसानों के जैसा ना?
लंगूर.
अंगूर.
क्या बेटा सीट कैसा है? अरे क्या है देख. हेलो. अरे ढकल ले मार ले रहे हो.
Hey.
मार ले.
Oh God.
They fought.
अभी ये है, अभी भी महाराष्ट्र में है. अब 281 more kilometer, 7 hours 17 minutes बता रहा. फिर भी I think like you know it's too much. 7.5 hours is too much for 281 kilometers. Sunset का time है. If you can see to my left.
And it's already so foggy.
Yes, sunset होने वाला है. So अभी sunset का time होने वाला है. Proper sunset का time है. It's 4:45. And एक चीज़ है. सुबह से what we are seeing is like the entire road since morning is very foggy. Like you know when we see like you know अभी इतना clearly नहीं दिख रहा है ये कैमरा में. But when we get straight roads and where we can see till that far. Like you know far तक it's looking very foggy like आज पूरा like सुबह से continuous
like even in the afternoon.
Yes, even in the afternoon it was the same way. Yes, of course it's end of October now, winter का time है and maybe because ये खुला है ना थोड़ा open like you know space है and that's the reason we are able to see that fog and whatever, but it's looking very nice. Proper winter का vibes है. winter में वाला feeling आ जा रहा है like you know properly. And ये है अभी स्टिल महाराष्ट्र में है. आई एम ऑल्सो क्वाइट एक्साइटेड कब महाराष्ट्र क्रॉस करके वी विल एंटर मध्य प्रदेश बोल के. एंड
तो मैं आप लोगों को एक स्ट्रेच बताया ना जहाँ डाइवर्शन लिए वहां से अभी तक क्रेजी हाईवेज लाइक क्रेजी हाईवेज एक नंबर है रोड. बट आगे जाके आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. यू लुकिंग एट और ये सबसे पतला वाला देख रहे हैं आप. बाय द वे
yes
लाइक ह्यूज
and even the flyovers also are very nice, you know, like very nice, like very smooth and all.
I don't know what's going to happen आगे जाके because 280 kilometers को it's showing 7 hours 15 minutes. So देखेंगे any which ways. अपने को वैसे भी लेट होने वाला ही है तो देखेंगे. अच्छा इसमें फ्यूल डाला लेंगे.
Yes. So ये हमारा सेकेंड फ्यूल स्टॉप है. तो एक फुल टैंक ऑलरेडी हो गया, अभी आधा है. बट वी थॉट लाइक यू नो सेफर साइड अभी अंधेरा होने वाला भी है. सो एक और फुल टैंक करके हम आगे जाएंगे. सो अभी और 7 hours है, मतलब 12 o'clock यू नो बता रहा ETA एंड आई थिंक इट विल बी लाइक 12-12:30 हो जाता पहुंचने तक. एंड पता नहीं इतना लेट तक वी हैव नेवर ड्रोव कार नेवर. तो नहीं बेंगलुरु को बहुत बार गए बट वो बेंगलुरु का ना वी डोंट फील लाइक वी आर
बेंगलुरु गई बिकॉज़ यू स्टार्टेड आल्सो लेट.
we started late exactly.
We started at 11-12 from Hyderabad.
Yes, 17 hours at a stretch and reaching late we have not done. So and बेंगलुरु वाला हाईवे तो हमारा तो लाइक यू नो वो तो सेकंड होम ही है. वहाँ पे 12 o'clock पहुंचो, 2 o'clock पहुंचो. Like we know familiar with the road, we know each and every stop there also. But ये वाला रोड तो this is the first time as I told you also like this entire stretch first time. अच्छा है बीच का वो जो 2 घंटे का like you know बीच में जो रोड्स अच्छा नहीं था. Apart from that everything.
नहीं but वहाँ पे ही आराम से 2 घंटे got killed.
एग्जैक्टली
2 hours waste of time. I'm telling you, it was so frustrating because एक flow में आ रहे तुम, suddenly वो flow cut हो गया. And most irritating point is how people were, of course village है, how people were riding their motorcycles and highway के बीच में सब झुंड लगा के they're discussing like probably और भाई चाय वाय पिया, नाश्ते में क्या खाया.
मे बी स्मॉल टाउन होगा, मे बी एवरीबडी हैड टू कम टू
बात करो साइड में
कुछ काम के लिए आए थे होंगे. एंड सो दिस इज NH 161 except for those small patches in between. The road is highway is very good, very nice. And मध्य प्रदेश का रोड अभी तक पता नहीं है, वहाँ जाने के बाद मालूम हो जाएगा. And we seriously can't wait, we can't believe that this is happening also. तो चलो फिर सनसेट के टाइम पे we will stop at some nice place to capture the beautiful views of the sunset. And अभी के लिए हमारा वाला सो गया
आराम से.
अच्छा खाना खा के सो गया. ओके वो है सन. इसमें कितना दिख रहा पता नहीं, बट जस्ट लुक एट दिस सो ब्यूटीफुल विंटर. सीताकलम ओ या देयर इज अ तेलुगु सॉन्ग, मतलब विंटर का सन के जैसा. सो व्हिच इज नाइस, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज़ ऑफ द वेदर.
It's not very bright.
Yes.
One eternity later.
All right, so we have finally reached our hotel, which is the Mudgal Palace here in Omkareshwar. And Omkareshwar temple यहाँ से 4-5 kilometers है. ये वो इसके पहले ये. So अभी night हो गया. It's almost 12 o'clock in the night. So वो वहाँ पे entrance है and we have to climb up the stairs here. So अभी के लिए there are rooms here and all. अभी के लिए क्विक रूम टूर कर लेंगे. एंड कल सुबह हम बताएंगे कि बाहर का व्यू एंड ऑल दैट. सो दिस इज द रूम. छोटा है बट बहुत क्यूट है. टायर्ड, मम्मी ऑल्सो इज टायर्ड एंड फादर इज वेरी टायर्ड बिकॉज नॉट ईजी टू ड्राइव 14 hours on road with breaks 15.5 hours over, plus 750 kilometers at a stretch. This is the first time we have done such a stretch, right? तो हमारा मैक्सिमम था 650-700 kilometers तक करे. बट यहाँ पे I'll tell you the thing, what is more exhausting, which is the distance. So generally 750 kilometers के लिए it should take maximum of 10-11 hours. यहाँ पे 15 hours लगा. ठीक है. So this is the रूम. छोटा सा मिरर है, बेड बहुत कंफर्टेबल है एंड किंग साइज का बेड है. एंड यहाँ पे छोटा सा बेड भी है, टीवी है. थोड़ा छोटा है रूम, कॉम्पैक्ट है, बट इट्स वेरी नीट एंड वेरी क्लीन. सो दिस इज द बाथरूम एज वेल. छोटा है बट बहुत नीट है, बहुत इट्स वेरी नाइस. एंड सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, विच इज द बालकनी. बालकनी भी क्वाइट स्पेशियस है. एंड नाउ दिवाली टाइम, पूरा लाइट्स भी है. एंड वहाँ पे है, दिस इज द रोड. एंड एक्चुअली मेन रोड वहाँ पे है. एंड वहाँ पे विल हैव टू टेक अ स्ट्राइट एंड देन कम हियर. सो सुबह उठने के बाद we'll show you the road and the outside view of this hotel. So this is the Mudgal Palace in Omkareshwar. इसका टैरिफ हम लोगों को लगा 1300 per night. In couple of websites it was 1500 per night. So I booked it through GoIbibo and I got around 1350 something, 2700 में 2 nights का मिला. आज का एक नाइट है, कल का एक नाइट है. So decent है, मतलब because we knew for sure that first day हमारे को आने का बहुत लेट होगा. And second day we'll for sure go in sightseeing and darshan. So we would anyways come back only by evening. So we thought it's okay. We'll book a kind of. We didn't want to go for an expensive place and all, but it is too good, very good. And the best part more than the hotel is the people, is the here the people here, and is the caretaker or maybe the owner. I think he's the owner. Is the owner here is so sweet. He's been following up with me since morning. Call karke he asked what time are you coming, and when we towards evening when he got to know we are coming late, he arranged for food which they are getting. So nearby restaurants they ordered. So यहाँ पे we can order from the nearest restaurants. They will give you the menu. He ordered the food, he kept it, and they stayed awake till the time we reached. And up it's 12 o'clock and they're still awake. So they're sorting out things for us, and they also upgraded. We had booked a normal deluxe room. They upgraded it to this super double occupancy. This is double occupancy only. Yeah, the next super deluxe room or something. वो तो बहुत अच्छे है, क्लीन है. So now coming to the main part. So the plan is हम quickly we'll have our dinner. थोड़ा भूख तो नहीं लग रही because the hunger is dead because it was very exhausting, and we will quickly have our lunch. Quickly have few spoons of dinner, and maybe we'll call it a day because tomorrow is a very long day. हमारा दर्शन का ticket VIP ticket का tickets also I've got, and like booked it online. Plus we'll have to do the sightseeing, so we'll have to wake up a little early, and we'll have to go ahead with our plan. So before that, quick summary of today, what we experienced, which we wanted to share with you. The first thing is, actually we thought we'll make a vlog of Hyderabad to Omkareshwar. Really any vlog of Hyderabad to Omkareshwar. So with the same intention we started, but first thing is the roads are very bad. So I did not know this. Otherwise, while I was planning, or I should have done a little bit of research on the condition of the roads, and only if I would have known, I would have probably we would have taken train, or we would have booked a flight, come to Indore, and would have probably done. Very exhausting. So as I told you, abhi 750 kilometers, 740 kilometers, actually 7 to be precise, it's 738 kilometers ke liye 15.5 hours on road was not required. Initially we didn't feel, because from Hyderabad till you exit Telangana, superb roads hai, very good. If you remember, you saw the roads in the morning while we were speaking, we thought the roads would be that. The first drop, or the first shock we got, was as soon as we entered Maharashtra. Again, narrow lanes and very congested, so much of traffic, single lane roads. ठीक है, वो 1-2 घंटा वहाँ पे time waste हो गया. फिर आगे निकले, and then the roads got better again. The roads got better, and it was good till one point of time again, till we had to take a diversion to the left towards Surat, straight Akola. Near Akola we had to take a left. And वहाँ पे 2-3 hours it was good, but after that the real horror started. You won't believe, at many places there was no roads at all. It is all under construction. There were no boards that it is under construction, and it was not bumpy roads. It was not about rough roads or patchy roads. There were no roads at all, and by then it was sunset, and we still had this thing of around 200 kilometers, which was showing 6 hours, and all the 6 to 7 hours in this dark. In the dark, we had to Rahul had to drive all the way. So our suggestion is that if you're planning by road, think twice. Not at all suggested, not at all recommended. Towards the last तो बहुत, and also you enter this Vindhya mountain range. वहाँ पे तो पूरा it's a jungle है. No roads, no signal, and again you exit, and again there is a patch of roads which was good for 30 kilometers, 20 kilometers. Then again the roads were bad. So throughout this was the journey, and very exhausting, and especially if you do not have a very big SUVs, or off-roading vehicles. I mean, car which is very good at off-roading. We suggest not to take this road, either come by train or take a flight, and so that is the thing. So we were excited about the road journey because we like road trips. Of course, uska maza tha. We got to see a lot of things and all that, but from the road perspective and from the time perspective also, 16 to 17 hours on road with the kid and all, it's too much. So ठीक है, फिर भी what we thought was of course it is ज्योतिर्लिंग का दर्शन. ठीक है, anyways it is the ज्योतिर्लिंग दर्शन. ऐसा थोड़ा कुछ rough and tough चीज़ होते रहता, that is fine. It is anyways end of the day to have a beautiful darshan. So कल के लिए excited हैं. So अभी के लिए, as I told you, we'll just finish our dinner and we'll wrap up for today. So कल सुबह उठेंगे, fresh मिलेंगे, we'll give you a property tour, and then we'll let you know the plans for tomorrow and the plans for the rest of our trip and journey. So चलो फिर, good night.